Get Up, Get Out, sponsored by UPMC Pinnacle.
A lot of people think, oh, you need to go out to Colorado or Washington to get that whitewater rush, but there's some awesome rapids right here on the Lehigh, right in our backyard in the Poconos.
It just so happens the morning team was craving a little rush. So for this Get Up, Get Out, my photographer Gary and I were joined by Sherry Christian, Steve Knight, and our very own producer Ashlyn to tackle the rapids of the Lehigh River.
Every class increases in difficulty, is what it is. So it starts out, class 0 to 1 is just basically a flat running stream, and then you have class 5, which has waterfalls.
We decided to take it slow for a change and stick with the company's family style run, featuring rapids only up to a class 2. But that's not to say we did so gracefully.
There's a lot of splashing, there's a lot of just good family time. It's a great way to introduce people to whitewater who have never gone before and are a little nervous.
When we weren't splashing or navigating, we were floating, soaking in all the Poconos have to offer.
You just hear the rapids and you hear the wind rustling through the trees. It's just beautiful. It's the ultimate way to relax and spend time in nature.
Turns out, Pocono Whitewater is one of the largest commercial rafting companies in the country, and it's no wonder why thousands of families, or friends like family, like us, come out each season for a taste of the good old outdoors.
You don't need to be on your phone. It's just all about experience, living in the moment, and that's my favorite thing about whitewater.
Ashley Honea, CBS 21 News.